Actually, I have completed 100 subscribers, so that's why I want to thank my subscriber, and I can bring new videos to my channel because from long time I was suffering from fever. I actually didn't know the reason, what was the reason that I was suffering, and then it's been almost 23, yeah, 23 or 24 days. How will I start? I don't know, because it is first time. It's first time that I'm coming live on YouTube channel in my life. I really want to thank, first of all, to my subscribers. Without their support, without their help, it wouldn't be possible. It wouldn't be possible to cross 100 subscriber. आङो बेखौनो बुंनो सानदों जे नोंथांमोननि सापर्ट, नोंथांमोननि अननाय गैयामोनब्ला आङो बे 100 साबस्क्राइबारखौबो खालामनो हानाय नङामोन। आङो मोजां मोजां कन्टेन्ट, मोजां मोजां भिडिअ लाबोनो सानो, नाथाय माखासे इस्यु दं, बेनि थाखाय आं लाबोनो हायाखै। माखासे देहा मोजां नङैनि थाखाय बेखौ हायाखै। मोजांबो मिथिया माबोरै जे खालामनांगौ बेखौ। I'm feeling so lonely today. That's why बेखायनो आं लाइभ फैबाय।